Welcome! In front of me I have DuoDuoGo J6 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how we can clean your micro USB port in the smartphone. So as you can see, here it is, and currently I'm unable to plug charger here because something is inside, right? So right now I'm going to zoom in a little bit to get you better view of this micro USB port. And as you can see here, we got some kind of dust, right? So what we have to get, I can recommend you to get something like this thin item. So let's put it right here and then make slow moves. Do it gently, don't break and don't harassment your port. Okay, here it is, and let's take a look if we have something inside. Yeah, something more here. Okay, another one. So let's try another time, maybe we'll find something else. Remember to do it slowly. Okay, I think that's all. Let's take a look here. Yeah, definitely. Right now it looks very good. So, as you can see, it was very easy. All you have to do is just to prepare some kind of the thin item and then gently move slowly gestures to get rid of the dust and other stuff inside your micro USB port. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!